Hi there, Dalton with ABC Acres. Today we're going to be showing you how we grow leafy greens and root vegetables in our unheated greenhouse through fall and winter here in cold Zone 5 Montana. One of your first lines of defense against the cold here is frost cloth. We use two different thicknesses, kind of depending on what we're growing and how long we're going to have it on. But it gives you a really good insulation between the few degrees above and below freezing. Another important part about growing through fall is picking the right varieties and the right types of plants that can handle the cold. Color also plays a large part in how a vegetable can do over the winter. Plants that are purple and blue in color tend to have more anthocyanin, making them more cold hardy than plants with just the green chlorophyll.
Gardening through winter is not easy, so taking precautions and being ahead of the cold weather is always your safest bet. Thanks for watching. See you on the farm.